Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you using JavaScript how to change the page title dynamically. And here we got a new output, the text box control and button control. Notice the old page title is the JavaScript tutorials. Now I'm changing to new tutorials online. Is the new page title for this web page. Now I'm changing the page title. So notice here the page title has been changed to new tutorials online. Let's add the new one, XYZ. I want to change the name. This is a new title for this page. Change page title. See, here we got the XYZ. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Notepad++. Notice in this Notepad++ contains a simple HTML code with some header tags h1, h2 and horizontal line. And also notice the title of this page is JavaScript tutorials. Now before adding the text box and button control to change the new title of this page dynamically using JavaScript, first we'll check the basic output, how it looks at designing part on the browser. And this is the output of that HTML code. Right now this page contains the header tags horizontal line and the page title is the JavaScript tutorials. Now my aim is I want to change this page title dynamically using JavaScript. So let's write the JavaScript code. In the page after the horizontal line, I'm adding enter new page title. I'm adding text box control, input type is equals to text and ID is equals to text1. I'm closing the text box control. After that I'm adding the button control. Input type is equals to button, value is equals to change page title, and I'm closing the button control. After that, in the header section after the title, I'm adding the script tag to write the JavaScript. I'm creating a function p title is a function name. Inside this p title, to change the page title, we have a DOM components. Document.title is equals to, I want to change the new title of this page from this text box control. So I'm adding document.get element, small letter element, B is capital, ID, between double quotes I'm adding the text box ID, which is a txt1 dot value. That's it. We have written the JavaScript code to change the page title dynamically. Now the last step, we need to add this function p title in the button click event. On click is equals to p title function name. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the final results on the browser. I'm reloading the browser and here we got a new output, the text box control and button control. Notice the old page title is the JavaScript tutorials. Now I'm changing to new tutorials online. Is the new page title for this web page. Now I'm changing the page title. So notice here the page title has been changed to new tutorials online. Let's add the new one, XYZ. I want to change the name. This is a new title for this page. Change page title. See, here we got the XYZ. That's it. We have changed the page title dynamically using JavaScript.